all, welcome to Ranjana's Academy. In today's session, we'll be learning microbes in human welfare. So in this chapter, this is going to be a chapter where we are going to see the positive effects of microbes and how it is useful for humans in our day-to-day life. So this is the introduction of this chapter. Microbes are present everywhere, even at the hot thermal vents at 100 degrees Celsius, several meters thick beneath the snow, acidic environments, and deep inside the soil. Microbes are diverse. I mean to say that they are in the form of prions, viruses, bacteria, fungi, and all others. Microbes can be grown on nutrition medium or nutritive medium where we provide the suitable conditions or the temperature, whatever is required for it to grow, and they form clusters or colonies, and these can be especially seen in bacteria and fungi. Microbes in household products. The first application of this is making curd from milk. The microbe we use here is called as lactobacillus or lactic acid bacteria, which is also called as lab. This lab produces acids that forms a cluster or they coagulate together and they digest the milk proteins. A small amount of curd added to the milk as inoculum. This word is very important, inoculum. Okay, and what happens to this is it starts to multiply at a very faster rate, and make sure you provide only the suitable temperature for this to happen. And there comes the formation of curd. The benefits of having curd is it contains a vitamin B12 and it also checks disease causing bacteria. The second application of this is making dough. If you see the dough, it's getting fermented, that is, it gets inflated as you can see in the picture. Why? Because of a bacteria which acts upon it that produces carbon dioxide gas, so that when you take a slice of cake, you can find some hair holes in between them. And those bubbles are filled with the gases of carbon dioxide. The third application is in the making of bread, the same process which we saw in making of dough, but here we use a yeast, and this yeast is called as Saccharomyces cerevisiae. I repeat, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. It's a very important term. And also a number of traditional drinks and foods are also prepared by this process of fermentation. The next application of this is in making toddy. Toddy is actually a traditional drink of southern India. It's actually made from palm leaf. That is, we ferment the sap from the palms. Apart from this, they are also used to ferment fish, soybean, and bamboo shoots. The next application of these is making in the process of cheese. One of the oldest food items in which we use microbes were the cheese. Basically, they have a characteristic texture, flavor, and taste. Swiss cheese basically has large holes, as you can see in the picture. So in the cartoon Tom and Jerry, we know very well Jerry loves to have these cheese. And why do they have so big holes? It's because due to the production of a carbon dioxide gas. And who produces this carbon dioxide gas? Propionibacterium shamani. I repeat the name, Propionibacterium shamani. And also, there's another type of cheese which is called as Roquefort cheese. This cheese has a very characteristic and a specific taste, and this is formed by fungi. Isn't that interesting? This fungi helps in the process of production of Roquefort cheese. That's why you can see some blue or green patches on them. So this is all for this session. In the next session, I'll be teaching you the use of microbes in making industrial products. If you had understood today's concepts better, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.